So the Mother's Day is here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this nice looking greeting card on ChatGPT, which later you can print and maybe send to your mother. And the best part about the prompt that I'm about to show you is that this prompt is quite unique. You can generate any kind of design using that prompt, and you can even customize the prompt to make it more personalized. So let me show you how you can create this nice looking greeting cards using only ChatGPT for free. Alright, let's go to ChatGPT and then you can log in to your account. So here, the prompt that you must use is this. You can pause this video and then you can write the prompt manually, or you can subscribe to this channel and then check the prompt in the video description. So I'm going to copy the prompt, and after that I'm going to paste that into this chat area on ChatGPT. But we're not done yet, because if you look closely, this prompt actually contains a lot of customizations, especially on the area or the section within the square brackets. And these sections basically allow you to customize the content or the kind of picture or greeting cards that will be generated by ChatGPT. So there is a lot of things, like you can specify the target or who is the person that you want to provide or send the greeting card. You can also specify maybe some style, color, and maybe you want to tell something about the experience that you might have with your mother. You can do that using this prompt. However, it is also possible to not give any customization. You can just leave it as it is, and AI will try to figure out what is the most appropriate or the best kind of design that could be generated based on this prompt, and the generation is going to be unique every single time. Alright, when you're done with the prompting, you can click create message to enable the feature and send a message to ChatGPT. So this process will take usually about 1 minute or maybe even 2 minutes, and after that you should be able to see the design and download the picture to your computer or your device, and then you can print, or maybe you can modify the bit using third-party tools, and basically it's going to look amazing. Anyway, I'm going to just skip forward and then showing you the result. Alright, we got this result from the generation, and I can see one problem here. So this is for grandma, which is totally fine. You can send it to your grandma, to your mom, to your stepmom, anyone else. But maybe this is the reason why you might want to customize the prompt a little bit. So here it just says name, because ChatGPT doesn't know your name. So that's just my tip. I think it's always a good idea to customize the prompt a little bit to make it more personalized and much going to be feel more unique when you're creating picture. But anyway, that's basically it. Again, check the video description to get this prompt so you can copy it quickly and paste it into ChatGPT. And if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.